Kiwi GoGo T1. The Kiwi GoGo T1 is an exciting personal electric hoverbike that makes flying fun, easy, and accessible. It's designed for people who love adventure and want a new way to explore, letting you hover above the ground and glide smoothly over streets, fields, or trails. Its powerful electric motors give quick, stable acceleration, while advanced stabilization systems keep every flight safe and under control, even for beginners. The T1 is lightweight and aerodynamic, making it easy to maneuver and enjoy precise handling wherever you go. The comfortable and user-friendly cockpit allows riders to focus on the thrill of flying while the technology manages balance and navigation. Perfect for adventure seekers, weekend explorers, or even those looking for a unique way to travel. The Kiwi GoGo T1 blends innovation, style, and performance in one futuristic package. Its quiet, eco-friendly electric system ensures a smooth ride while reducing environmental impact. Klein Vision Flying Car. The Klein Vision Flying Car is an amazing vehicle that can both drive on roads and take off into the sky, giving you the freedom to travel in a whole new way. It's perfect for city commutes, short trips, or weekend adventures, letting you avoid traffic and reach your destination faster. With vertical takeoff and landing, it doesn't need a runway, so you can take off and land almost anywhere. Its lightweight and aerodynamic design, combined with electric or hybrid engines, makes every ride smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly. The advanced flight systems and safety features make it easy and safe to operate, even if it's your first time flying. Inside, the cabin is comfortable and modern, with smart technology and intuitive controls that let you focus on enjoying the journey. Whether driving through busy streets or soaring above cities and landscapes, the Klein Vision Flying Car turns everyday travel into an exciting adventure. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is a game-changing personal flying vehicle designed to make the dream of easy, safe, and fun flying a reality. Built for short trips, city commuting, and weekend adventures, it lets you take off and land vertically, so you don't need a runway. Its electric or hybrid engines make flights quiet, smooth, and eco-friendly, giving a modern and sustainable way to travel. The aircraft is packed with smart technology and automated flight controls, making it simple and safe to operate, even for beginners. The cabin is comfortable and thoughtfully designed, offering a relaxing experience while you fly. Lift Aircraft is perfect for avoiding traffic, saving time, or just enjoying the thrill of soaring above the ground. Its sleek design combines style with efficiency, making every flight both practical and exciting. With this aircraft, personal air travel becomes accessible, convenient, and safe, showing a glimpse of the future where short-distance flying is part of everyday life. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is an exciting electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, making city travel fast, easy, and fun. It's designed to help people skip traffic, reach destinations quickly, and enjoy a smooth flight without needing a runway. Its quiet, eco-friendly electric engines make every ride smooth and sustainable, while the sleek and aerodynamic design ensures stability and control in the air. Advanced flight systems make flying safe and simple, even for first-time passengers, while the modern cabin is comfortable and easy to use. Passengers can relax and enjoy the view as the Lilium Jet handles navigation and balance automatically. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or taking a weekend adventure, this aircraft turns everyday travel into an exciting experience. It's not just about moving from one place to another, it's about exploring the skies, enjoying freedom, and seeing the world from above. M-Vision's Autonomous Mobility. M-Vision's Autonomous Mobility is a smart self-driving vehicle built to make travel easier, safer, and more comfortable. Unlike regular cars, it doesn't need a human driver because it uses advanced artificial intelligence to handle everything on its own. The AI system understands roads, traffic, and obstacles, making sure the vehicle drives smoothly and safely. The car is equipped with cameras, sensors, and radar that give it a full 360-degree view. This helps it detect obstacles, avoid accidents, and choose the best route automatically. It follows traffic rules and adjusts speed on its own, so passengers don't have to worry about anything. Inside, the focus is on comfort and convenience. Riders can sit back, relax, work, or enjoy entertainment while the vehicle drives itself. The intelligent system ensures a smooth ride, even in busy city traffic, giving a stress-free travel experience. Although the Envisions autonomous mobility vehicle is still being developed, it shows the future of urban transportation. Soon, cars like this could become a normal part of our daily lives, making commuting faster, safer, and more enjoyable. It is a perfect example of how technology is shaping smarter, more efficient, and modern travel for everyone. NAWA 5X EVTOL aircraft. The NAWA 5X is an amazing personal flying aircraft that makes short-distance travel faster, easier, and more exciting. It's designed to take off and land vertically, so you don't need a runway, making it perfect for city commuting, weekend trips, or avoiding traffic. Its lightweight and aerodynamic design, combined with electric propulsion, makes flights smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly. Advanced flight systems keep the aircraft stable and safe, making it easy to operate even for first-time flyers. The cabin is comfortable and modern, with intuitive controls and smart navigation technology, allowing passengers to focus on enjoying the flight while the aircraft handles the details. Whether you're commuting across busy streets, exploring nearby cities, or taking a short adventure, the NAWA 5X offers a new way to travel with speed, convenience, and style. Overland AI Ultra. The Overland AI Ultra is a powerful and futuristic vehicle built to go where normal cars simply cannot. It is designed for extreme off-road conditions like deserts, rocky mountains, forests, and muddy paths. What makes it truly special is that it can drive on its own using advanced artificial intelligence, so it does not need a human driver to control it. This smart vehicle uses cameras, sensors, and mapping technology to understand everything around it. It can detect obstacles such as rocks, steep hills, or rough terrain and quickly decide the safest path to follow. Even in difficult and unpredictable environments, it stays stable and keeps moving smoothly. The Ultra is mainly used for important missions like defense operations, delivering supplies, and exploring dangerous areas where sending humans can be risky. Its strong design and intelligent system make it very reliable in tough situations. Pivotal Blackfly. The Pivotal Blackfly is a groundbreaking personal electric aircraft that makes flying as easy as driving. It's designed for short trips and urban commuting, taking off and landing vertically, which means you don't need a runway. Lightweight and compact, it can fit into tight spaces, giving you freedom to travel above traffic and avoid city congestion. The electric motors make it quiet, smooth, and eco-friendly, while advanced flight controls keep it safe and easy to operate, even for first-time flyers. Its sleek and futuristic design not only looks amazing, but also focuses on efficiency and performance, giving a fast and exciting travel experience. The single-passenger cabin is comfortable and thoughtfully designed, making every flight enjoyable and stress-free. The Blackfly isn't just about moving from point A to B, it's about exploring the skies, saving time, and experiencing a new level of personal mobility. SKY High Altitude Platform System. The SKY High Altitude Platform System is a futuristic aircraft designed to fly high in the sky for a long time without landing. It operates in the stratosphere, much higher than normal airplanes, almost like a satellite, but much closer to Earth. This makes it very useful for communication, monitoring, and data collection. The platform is powered by solar energy, which means it can stay in the air for weeks or even months. During the day, it collects energy from the sun, and at night, it uses stored power to keep flying. This makes it environmentally friendly and highly efficient. It moves slowly and stays in one area, acting like a floating tower in the sky. SKY is mainly used to provide internet coverage in remote areas where signals are weak or unavailable. It can also help in disaster management by tracking floods, wildfires, and storms in real time. Switchblade Flying Sports Car. The Switchblade Flying Sports Car is an incredible vehicle that combines the excitement of a sports car with the freedom of flight. On the road, it drives like a sleek, fast, and stylish sports car, giving you speed, control, and agility. When it's time to take off, it transforms into a flying aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing, so you can soar above traffic, reach destinations faster, and explore the skies like never before. Its lightweight and futuristic design makes it easy to handle both on land and in the air, while advanced safety systems and automated controls ensure smooth and secure rides. The cockpit is modern and comfortable, with intuitive controls that make flying simple, even for beginners. Perfect for thrill seekers, adventurers, and anyone looking for a unique travel experience, the Switchblade turns ordinary trips into exciting adventures. Tensor Robocar. The Tensor Robocar is a futuristic self-driving car designed to make travel easier, safer, and more advanced. The most exciting thing about this vehicle is that it does not need a driver. It uses smart artificial intelligence to understand the road, traffic, and surroundings, allowing it to drive completely on its own. This means you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride without worrying about steering or controlling the car. The Robocar is equipped with multiple sensors, cameras, and radar systems that give it a full 360-degree view. It constantly scans the environment, detects obstacles, and makes quick decisions to ensure a smooth and safe journey. It can control speed, follow traffic rules, and even choose the best route automatically. Inside, the car is designed for comfort and convenience. Passengers can relax, work, or enjoy entertainment while the car handles everything. It feels more like a smart moving lounge than a traditional vehicle. Although the Tensor Robocar is still in development, it represents the future of transportation. In the coming years, cars like this could become common, making travel more comfortable, efficient, and stress-free for everyone. Uber Air. Uber Air is an exciting new way to travel in cities, turning the idea of commuting into something fast, easy, and futuristic. It uses small electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, so you don't need a runway, and you can skip traffic and reach your destination much quicker than traditional travel. These aircraft are quiet, eco-friendly, and designed to glide smoothly above busy streets, making them perfect for urban environments. Safety and convenience are a top priority, with advanced flight control systems and automated navigation that handle the flying for you, even if it's your first time in the air. The cabins are comfortable, modern, and intuitive, letting passengers relax and enjoy the ride while the technology takes care of the details. Uber Air isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about saving time, avoiding congestion, and making city travel stress-free and enjoyable. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out for a weekend adventure, Uber Air transforms everyday travel into a thrilling experience. It combines innovation, sustainability, and convenience, offering a glimpse into the future of urban mobility, where flying becomes part of daily life, making travel faster, smarter, and more fun for everyone. UDX Airwolf Hoverbike. The UDX Airwolf Hoverbike is a thrilling flying vehicle that combines the excitement of a motorbike with the freedom of flight. It's built for adventure lovers who want to explore the skies and glide above the ground with ease. Its powerful engines and advanced stabilization systems make flying smooth, safe, and easy to control, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot. The hoverbike is lightweight and aerodynamic, allowing for quick maneuvers and responsive handling, while electric or hybrid propulsion keeps it quiet and eco-friendly. The cockpit is designed for comfort and clear visibility, giving riders an amazing view of their surroundings while enjoying the sensation of flying. Perfect for recreational adventures, off-road exploration, or even urban flights, the Airwolf opens up a new world of personal mobility. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, blending innovation, style, and performance in one futuristic machine. XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 is a smart and stylish electric car made for city life. Its compact design makes driving in traffic, parking, and tight spots easy, while still offering a comfortable ride for passengers. The car's electric motor gives smooth acceleration and quiet, energy-efficient performance, making every trip enjoyable. Inside, the cabin is modern and tech-friendly, with intuitive controls, a touchscreen display, and helpful driver assist features that make driving safer and stress-free. The XPeng X2 can help navigate city streets, avoid obstacles, and even optimize routes, giving drivers more confidence on the road. It's perfect for daily commutes, running errands, or short weekend trips, combining convenience, comfort, and eco-friendly driving in one package. Beyond practicality, the XPeng X2 also looks sleek and modern, turning heads wherever it goes. Zapata Jet Racer. The Zapata Jet Racer is an exciting electric water vehicle made for adventure lovers and water sports fans. It combines the thrill of a jet ski with the power of advanced electric motors, giving you smooth, fast, and eco-friendly rides on lakes, rivers, or the ocean. Its lightweight and aerodynamic design makes it easy to handle, turn, and control, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. The electric motors provide instant acceleration and a quiet ride, letting you enjoy the water without pollution or noise. The cockpit is designed for comfort and stability, so you can ride for longer periods safely and confidently. Whether racing across open water, performing sharp turns, or exploring coastlines, the Jet Racer makes every ride exciting and fun. It's not just a water vehicle. It's a complete adventure experience that blends speed, style, and sustainability. With the Zapata Jet Racer, water travel becomes thrilling, safe, and environmentally friendly.